Alright, we have a transfer case here. This one came off of a 2005 Chevy Silverado. So I've already gone ahead and got it put back together, the two new seals replaced, the four-wheel drive actuator motor. So I decided to go ahead and replace it under warranty. I had already changed it out about a year ago for the customer. So while I had everything apart, it seemed like it was sticking, not wanting to change between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive before I pulled the transmission and transfer case. So, but I have some footage from reassembling it, and it had been quite a while since I've had to mess with any transfer cases, so it took me a little while to go ahead and get this thing put back together. Taking it apart, I realized that there was a snap ring here that I should have pulled off first to make it a little easier to take it apart. So, and once I got it all taken apart, it was pretty easy to open it up and inspect everything. And see, the transfer case was making noise, and we thought the failure was just in the transfer case, but we opened it up and realized it was sitting just between gears because of the faulty actuator motor. But the real problem with the truck ended up being in the transmission, which I have over here. So the transmission ended up having, it looks like it's been rebuilt at one point by somebody else. They had totally lost reverse in it, and it was making all kinds of racket in any of the forward gears as well. In park or neutral, it was quiet as a mouse. So I've got some time lapse of reassembling that transfer case to put in here too. Thanks for watching.